I'm looking forward to this one. Man, that's good. Wow. Whatever fits your personal diet, it don't matter. However you want to roll, you roll like that. I'm gonna roll like this because, man, this joker right here is good, okay? Does 145 grams of protein and around 1,200 calories sound good to you? Well, you clicked on the right video. In this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how to get that amount by lunch, all right? It's not that hard. I'm gonna show you exactly what I have for breakfast, post-workout shake, and my lunch that I've been having on repeat. This lunch is so good, okay? The breakfast is great as well. So let me show you exactly what I had. I'm gonna help you hit those goals. If that's something that you need, if you're trying to get some more protein in your life, I got you covered. I've been having this breakfast a few times a week now. It is so good. I look forward to having this one. Check this one out. All right, so I wanna show you breakfast I've been having on repeat. This thing tastes amazing. What this is overnight oats. So let me show you what I'm using here with the overnight oats. The Kodiak protein oats, I just use half a cup. And of course, I make this at nighttime, right? And then you stick it in the fridge and it's ready to go in the morning. Half a scoop of this Cage Whey protein vanilla mixes really well. I only use half a scoop, so. And then I add in a little PB2, 2 tablespoons of this. You know, this is optional as well. I just like the peanut butter flavor, man, it tastes great. Then of course I throw in half a cup cottage cheese. I eat cottage cheese all the time. This is optional as well, but easy way to get your 15 grams of protein first thing in the morning. So this meal right here is gonna get around 57 grams of protein or so, all right? So, man, that's a great way. If you're trying to hit your protein goals, a great way to do it is start off in the morning. Try to get you as much protein as you can in the morning without feeling too full, like you wanna go back to bed. It's a great way to start out and really hit your protein goals. While I do a lot of videos, I try to get a good amount of protein by lunch just to show you how to do that, because I know I get a lot of comments saying they're struggling to hit the protein goals. I got you covered. So I'm gonna start off with this breakfast. We're gonna go hit the gym a little bit. Okay, so for lunch, what I've been having on repeat, it's been so good. I'm getting protein, I'm getting fiber. Now, I'm gonna show you a couple different options here. If you're not worried about carbs, then make it just like this. Now, if you're on a low carb diet, what I want you to do is subtract the pasta from this meal. But if you're not worried about it, I mean, it's protein pasta. Come on now, you can't beat it. Extra 10 grams of protein. But if you're not doing carbs, totally fine. Substitute it with something like cauliflower rice or some veggies or something like that. Whatever you want to roll with, just take the pasta out. If you're trying to go a lower carb, that'll also knock out about 40 grams of the carbs, okay? What I'm gonna show you right here, I'm gonna use 5 ounces of lean beef. I'm gonna use half cup of cottage cheese, a half cup of those black beans that I was showing you, and just mix it all together, and it is so quick and easy. It's ready in under 15 minutes. This is a quick and easy way to get you about almost 65 grams of protein. If you make it just like this, 65 grams of protein for lunch. Let me show you what we're cooking. So what I have here is just 5 ounces of beef. This is 96 lean beef. I already put the half a cup of cottage cheese in there. So I can kind of see it's a little bit white, but it's already mixed in. Like, you cannot even tell it's in there really, but it just gives it a ton of flavor. If you cook with cottage cheese, you let me know. What do you use your cottage cheese in? I use my cottage cheese in all kinds of stuff. Half a cup gets you 15 grams of protein. You just can't beat that, all right? So what we're gonna do here, half a cup of black beans. Black beans are so good for you. Mix it in there. And this is pretty much the meal right here. This is your protein. Now, all you're gonna do is just cook this up a little bit. I got that pasta cooking over there. It's almost ready to dump in here and we're ready to go. I'm trying to tell you, this meal is so quick. What you're gonna get, this meal right here is gonna get 600 calories, 64 grams of protein, 10 grams of fat, around 65 grams of carbs, and 10 grams of fiber. Come on now, we're all needing some fiber. So let's get this pasta in there. All right guys, the pasta's done. Before we put the pasta into the meat, I wanna go over something real quick. I can't stress the importance of measuring your food out, your meat and your pasta, okay? It is so simple to just dump a ton of pasta on something and it really throws your macros off, all right? If you're really trying to make some changes, you need to start tracking your food. I cannot say that enough. You have to track your food. Go get you a scale, put it in your kitchen and use it, okay? For example, I'm gonna use 2 ounces of protein pasta, all right? 2 ounces, that's not much. This is 2 ounces right here. That's not much pasta, okay? So you measure, make sure you measure it out, all right? I just cooked 1 serving, 2 ounces of pasta. It's ready to go. It's ready to go into the meat, but I just can't stress that enough, guys. You gotta make sure you're measuring, okay? Come on. And here is the 2 ounces of pasta. It's already cooked. Look at that. That's a serving of pasta, okay? What I'm gonna do is just mix this all in together. I'm trying to tell you, this meal is so basic, but it's so good and it's packed with protein. Seasonings, whichever one you want to roll with. Slap Your Mama, Tony Chachere's. I use these because they have a lot of flavor in them, okay? So either one, whichever one you want to roll with. I'm just going to go ahead with the Tony Chachere's today. Sprinkle a little of this on top, all right, however much you want, and just mix that in. And guys, we are ready to go. Almost 65 grams of protein right here. This is a gigantic meal. Now, you don't have to eat the whole meal at one time. Look, this is how you want to see meal prep? Here it is right here. Bam, 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 bam. Lunch, dinner. Come on now. You can't beat that, all right? All right, guys, so once the beef and cottage cheese is done, you're ready to go. All you gotta do is add that pasta. The beans, those are easy, right? So just put it in your bowl now. Now, like I said, you can split this up in 2 meals. You don't have to eat all this in one meal. I'm starving, so I'm eating one meal. Now, this is almost 65 grams of protein right here in this one meal. You can split it in 2. Lunch, dinner, good to go. The base, I'm using this tricolor coleslaw. This stuff is great, all right? Get you some of this. You're gonna be using it a lot. It is. You can put it in so many different meals. Beef, chicken, it don't matter. Get you some of this, all right? There it is. Look at that. This has been one of my favorite meals lately. I've had this for lunch. I've had it for dinner. It is so good. And the thing is, it is so easy to make. All you need is beef, cottage cheese, and beans. Come on now. You don't even have to put the pasta in there if you don't want to, all right? I just like adding pasta because I like pasta and it's 10 more grams of protein. Come on now, you can't beat that. But remember, if you don't want the pasta, just take it out, subtract almost 40 grams of carbs and subtract the 10 grams of protein as well. Whatever fits your personal diet, it don't matter. However you want to roll, you roll like that. I'm gonna roll like this because, man, this joker right here is good, okay? For that breakfast, 455 calories, 57 grams of protein, 9 grams of fat, 42 grams of carbs, and 7 grams of fiber, all right? So we're all trying to get some fiber, right? Fiber is great for you. Make sure you try to get your fiber each day, okay? This right here is coming in 600 calories, 64 grams of protein, 10 grams of fat, 65 grams of carbs, and 10 grams of fiber, okay? So remember, don't let the carbs scare you. You don't have to put carbs in this. What you can do if you want to, take the pasta out and just put in cauliflower rice. It's good to go. The only carbs you're getting is from those beans. Beans are so good for you. Come on now. And then I had the Ascent protein after I worked out. And I had the Ascent protein. That was 25 grams of protein, around 120 calories. So what you're looking at here is around 1,200 calories, 146 grams of protein, 100 grams of carbs, 19 grams of fat, 17 grams of fiber. Come on now, you cannot beat that. All right, and 1,200 calories, whatever your protein goals are, I got you covered. I'm trying to show you how to do it. If you're trying to watch it and do it in lower calories, I got you covered. If you're trying to get high protein at each meal, I got you covered there too. It don't matter, I got you covered either way. Now remember, you don't have to eat this whole meal in one meal, all right? Make 2 out of it. Lunch, dinner, bam, you're good to go. Lunch today, lunch tomorrow. That's the meal prep. I'm trying to show you the simple ways to do it. This is the simple way to do it. I don't know if I can make it any more simple. Beef, cottage cheese, and beans, come on now. If you keep these items in stock, you have lunch ready, you have dinner ready. Those overnight oats for breakfast, I look forward to having those in the morning. Try those out. Let me know in the comments when you try this one. I'm almost positive you're gonna keep this one in rotation because it is good. Like I always say, remember, you gotta snack smart. So after you have this, your sweet tooth might kick in. Let me show you how to kick back. One of my favorite ways to kick back, I have one of these all the time. Right here. If you know about Yasso, you let me know in the comments, all right? This right here, I mean, come on now, your diet can fit this, all right? Especially if your sweet tooth is kicking in and you're used to grabbing something that's like 200-300 calories, you get you one of these, 80 calories and 5 grams of protein. Come on now, you can't beat that, okay? Go get you some Yasso. You don't have to get the fudge one. You can, they have different flavors, all right? But I highly recommend, if you have a sweet tooth, keep these in your freezer, okay? They come in clutch. Believe me, I know sometimes after dinner, I'm like, man, I need something sweet, right? And if you have stuff in your pantry that you shouldn't have in there, you're probably gonna go try to grab it, right? Grab you one of these first, all right? Get you one of these, have it. Very refreshing. They taste great, okay? I cannot recommend them enough. If you haven't tried it, go try it. You can find them at all the stores, okay? Let me know what your favorite flavor is as well, because I've tried almost all of them and they are all really, really, really good, okay? If you stay ready, you don't have to get ready. I say that all the time. And I always say, if nothing changes, nothing changes. If you're struggling to hit your protein goals, I got you covered, all right? I'm trying to show you exactly how to get whatever amount of protein you need to get. I'm trying to show you the easy way to do it. Now, the only way to know how much protein you're supposed to get is you got to measure it out. You can't just guess and wonder why you're not hitting your goals. I'm trying to show you how to hit the goals. I'm gonna help you hit the goals. You let me know in the comments if this video helped you out. I'm gonna talk to y'all next time.